Hello, in front of me I've got Alcatel 3T10. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the tab, and let's start with none. Now let's select swipe. Next, let's select pin. Now, let's select password. And in the end, let's select pattern. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.